can we do something that at least maybe the future generation will think about us? And they'll say they supported my great-grandmother who was a teacher, who was living, who could not be able to get a house, who would trek, use a motorbike to go to school, to be able to make sure that we have leaders in this country. So, Mr. Speaker, I support that, and I want to really call upon the Teacher Service Commission. If there is an agreement that you've passed, why not commit to it? Why are we having this bad behavior where we are quick to sign a covenant, but then we are very fast in running away from it? So this petition, I fully support. Now I go to the second petition, which is of paramount importance. A few years ago, Mr. Speaker, we had a very interesting situation in this country, Nairobi County, when the former governor, Mike Mbuvi Sonko, was impeached by this House. In fact, I'll go on record in saying I did not impeach Sonko. And some of the challenges that we faced while Sonko was impeached is that by the time Sonko was impeached, his deputy, whom he had chosen as per the Constitution, had resigned. There was no law. But then we referred back to the law and we started thinking what the framers of the Constitution had in mind when they say that the person to be elected has got to choose someone to be his running mate or her running mate. What we forgot is that the people we represent in this House do not only vote for a governor, they look at the entire team. So I think this amendment or proposal or petition is something worth looking at. I think it may require a referendum, but it's something worth for us to be able to debate. We have the issues of the deputy governors as well. We have the issues of the deputy president. It is very interesting because when you read the Constitution, one of the qualifications for a person to be able to serve as a deputy governor or deputy president is that he or she must have the qualification to be elected as a governor. But there's an interesting thing here, which I think is something that we need to discuss. The petition introduces something saying, with the way we are dealing with issues currently, we get somebody who is not popular. So are we electing people who are popular, or are we electing people who the Constitution said they can qualify to become elected as either president or governor? So I think it's important. I don't necessarily maybe agree with the suggestion